Hello, it's Simon in the video today. I am in my little room that I will show you. Since November, I have that opportunity. Puis, it's a very good thing. I have my TV, the microwave. I have a little refrigerator here. So what? So it's an opportunity I had November till today, and it permitted me on social network to do my projects, because when I started first on Facebook to do movies or scripts, after it was not done for that. A group on Facebook, it's for to communicate with people. So the added project, you can click, you open a group, you click on project. So a project of movies, TV shows, CDs, musicals, things like that. So November till May, my project are done. I began on Facebook in 2014. After I switched on Google, after it was not accepted right away that I do like a movie or videos on YouTube or a script. So now it's accepted. It's the project I have on Facebook. So I'm very grateful, very happy of that opportunity. Bon, a microwave, a fridge, a sink. I wash my things with body soap or things like that. I watch on TV, je veux dire, I have NBC. I don't have CBS, so that's where I watch the Voice. So that's NBC, Cozy TV, Get TV. Je veux dire. So there's there. After, for those who have an addiction problem or mental illness, here you can lock the door, you have a security guard. Puis if you have to take your own personal decision, it's excellent. So I would replace everything with a formula like that. It was a motel before, it was closed and reopened. So everybody has a room. So it's 1,500 per month. Puis I have help for that. With Community Solution, Home First and above. But it's temporary housing, it's a program to find a job. So it permitted me to invest a lot in many sites. Puis now I made applications everywhere. Puis some are still open. I have a chance to have a job. So I have to prove my identity with the government photo ID. I have to prove I arrive legally. So the sponsor can help me to get those documents, the employer, or I can have help of another program. But I can prove my identity with a birth certificate. Puis je veux dire, c'est un direct flight Montréal-San Francisco avec the date puis the hour arrival. So it's not impossible I can find a job, but it's more difficult. Americans have to pass first. So I'm very grateful and very happy. Puis this morning, you can go at the river, you can go at St. James Park or downtown. The security problem, some people, they can scream at your window, they can pass in front of the door, they can listen the other side, you can smell marijuana because it's a general system of aeration, but you report that to security guard, puis everything become okay. But I would replace everything with that formula because locking the door, having your space, if you're in withdrawal, if you have a period of stability to become stable, you take new medication, but it's excellent because you are safe from any external pressures. So, je veux dire, I'm very grateful because it's not everybody who gets that, but I'm not, I don't have any relation with any program or any elected people or any decision-making process, but I would replace the SLA, the THU, the shelter with a formula like that with no problem. Puis after, you have to find a job. It's rare in the Bay Area nowadays, but comme Microsoft, Facebook, Apple, you have a lot of opening that a ton of people can apply. You're limited to apply a certain amount of job per so outside I was intoxicated this morning. Puis I went in my room, I took my shower, puis now have symptoms of intoxication, but you're like that, like I am now when you're sober. It's the side effects you see in a sober person. So thank you everybody, thank you for your help. Puis, je veux dire, my project are done, so I can continue to use the social network. Puis, look at that fantastic place. Je veux dire, why everybody, I will close the lights to give a more, I will open the, je veux dire, I wonder why it's not a solution for everybody. Look at that. Puis, en tout cas, c'est... So, thank you very much for that opportunity, but one day at a time, one day at a time.